Assalamualaikum everyone. So after a long time I am back. So let's start making my vlogs. So it has a so busy at my school. And also other stuff too. Hope you miss me. Here we go. So today is Snowstorm. And I have to play the song with my brother. Let's go. Sorry. The cute one. Hey, it's so hard. Now doing that. Brother, play with you. Play at the snow. Yay! Oh. Merry Christmas. Go, brother. Out now. More snow. Let's go again. Let's go with the other area. Okay, so let's go. I see. Having so much fun. Are you guys enjoying? Are you having fun in the snow? I'm having a cute one. Water. Doing that. Okay, so I done it. Big high. No. One more cake. And a bubbler. And bubbler again. Baby, a small baby. Which is snow, hot butter, hair. By eating snow, hot butter hair. Hot cold hair. It's crawling in the snow. बनाते हैं snowman. Let's make snowman. Wow! Up or how dry, slowly, we have to cover ourselves. Cool, nuts, and cherry. Trying our best. Merry Christmas. To everyone. Cool right here. Your hair is so hard. Don't go far away. That's safe. It's my down home. The big boy. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Hope you like it. Keep subscribing. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Love you all. Thank you so much. Watching my vlog. Bye.